Do you have any image with watermark? Don't worry. Watch the video to remove watermark from any image with simple steps. Let's start. Search easysoft.com in Google. Then click Free Watermark Remover online. Open this page. Then you will see the watermark remover page. There is another way. Type easysoft.com directly to your browser. It will open home page with lot of utilities. Search for Free Image Tools menu. See below that menu. Then click Free Watermark Remover online. Now you will see Upload Image page. Now, click Upload Image button. Select the image to remove watermark. Now you will see some tips like brush, eraser, lasso and polygonal. Adjust the brush size. Then select the watermark area to be removed from the image. Choose carefully the total number of watermarks to be removed from the image. After selecting those areas, click the Remove button. Please wait for some times. Your image is processing now. Finally, your image is ready for download. Without any watermark. Click the Download button to save your image to your device. Image is ready now. See the image before and after. Let's try another image. Click Upload Image button. Select another image. Then adjust the size of the brush button. Choose the area of the watermark to be removed from the image. Finally, click Remove button. Wait for some times. Your image is processing. Your image is ready now. Click the Download button to download it to your device. See the difference before removing the watermark and after removing the watermark. You can try with any Android and Apple devices.